my name is Sarah, and today I am doing a round brush blowout using the Design Essentials Agave and Lavender Blow Dry and Thermal Styling Collection. To begin, you want to cleanse the hair with the Agave and Lavender Moisturizing and Strengthening Shampoo. This is a sulfate-free shampoo that provides intense hydration to the hair and scalp and promotes healthy hair growth. Do this step as many times as needed to ensure thorough cleansing. For step 2, apply the Agave and Lavender Moisturizing and Detangling Conditioner starting from the ends and working your way towards the scalp. This conditioner restores hair's natural moisture and smooths the hair for easier glide-through blowouts that last longer. You can do this step by detangling with fingers, a wide-tooth comb, or a detangling brush. For the third step, you will need to prep your hair with the Agave and Lavender Blow Dry and Heat Shield. First, shake to activate, then distribute evenly throughout each section. This product cuts drying time in half and protects hair from heat damage. Finally, to style your hair, apply the Agave and Lavender Weightless Thermal Protection Serum. Apply a small amount to hair to ensure proper protection. It even helps with flyaways. And there you have it! Your round brush blowout is complete.